and Tamil. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach pronoun may, which is used in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, which is the continuation of present tense. In Tamil we say this தொடர் நிகழ்காலம். Right? For example, if I say this in English, I eat mango. It is simple present tense. If I say I am eating mango, where eat has become eating, the present tense has become present continuous tense. நான் மாம்பழம் சாப்பிடுகிறேன், which is simple present tense, and நான் மாம்பழம் சாப்பிட்டு கொண்டு இருக்கிறேன், still I am eating, which is present continuous tense. So we are going to see today the present continuous tense in Hindi using the pronoun मैं. Come, let us go into the video. Usage of pronoun मैं in present continuous. Before that, in the last few videos we have seen 10, 10, 20 verbs. Those 20 verbs I have separated. I have selected just 10 from that among 20. A is come, ja is go, date is see, kha is eat, p is drink, lick is write, pad is read, day is give, chal is walk, bol is speak. If I say speak, it is simple present tense. If I say speaking, it is present continuous tense. Let us see the formula. Formula is pronoun plus root verb plus, in the last videos, that is in simple present tense, we have seen ta, ti, or te. Instead of ta, ti or te, or substituting ta, ti and te, some other word has to be used, which is where you have used ta, it is simple. There you have to use raha. Raha is present, continuous. Ti, you have to write rahi. Instead of te, you have to write rahe. That's all. Then the conclusion or the end. In may, we have used who, means that we have to use whom. If I have used hind, here also I have to use hind. So I am going to say about may only. May means we write mime, we say may. May means I am. Right? That one will be ended with whom. Will be ended with whom. This who is the ending one. Where the pronoun may is used, there who will be ended. And simple pronoun plus root word plus raha, rahi, rahe. Where used rata, where used ta, there it is raha. Where used ti, it is rahi. Where used te, it is rahe. That's all. The remaining is same. Let us see that first one. If I say the pronoun man, the pronoun we are focusing today is man. So man plus pronoun may is that plus root verb. If I say I come, I am coming. I come is simple present tense. I am coming is present continuous tense. That verb plus ing. Here the verb plus raha. That's all. Okay. So verb here I will write. Okay. Here I will write verb plus ing. The same way here verb plus raha or rahi or rahe. That's all. Okay. That is present continuous. Okay. If you write ta, te, ti, simple present tense. Right. May plus a plus, if I say I am a masculine, so I say simple present tense मैं आता हूँ. Means present continuous tense. I have to say मैं आता, instead of ta I have to say raha. मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं आ रहा हूँ. Why I have used raha is I am masculine. No respect to me. I don't give respect to me. Others I have to give the respect to me. So like that same one for everybody. If I say I am a masculine, I say raha. If I am a feminine, I say rahi. That's all. Rahe won't come. Okay. So मैं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming. Next one, जा. Second verb is जा. मैं pronoun plus verb is जा. Ja plus I am masculine, so raha. Then end will be who. If I am feminine, it will be rahi. That's all. Rahi. Third one. What is third one? Dekh. I watch. I am watching. मैं dekh. Masculine myself is raha. If I am feminine, then it is rahi. Whom. That's all. The fourth verb is I eat. I eat. I am eating. मैं खा रहा. If I am feminine, रही. मैं खा रहा हूँ. The last sentence, fifth sentence is pee. I drink milk. मैं दूध पी रहा हूँ. Okay. मैं some object whatever it is. We'll write only the noun root word. मैं pee. I am a masculine, so raha. If I am a feminine, it is rahi. Then I will add with whom. That's all. मैं पी रहा हूँ. If I am a feminine, मैं पी रही हूँ. If I am a Lakshmi Narayan, मैं देख रहा हूँ. If I am only Lakshmi, मैं देख रही हूँ. That's all. This is the way we have to use. So other words are there, other sentences are there. That also you can make. Lick. Instead of a, you substitute with a lick. Okay? Lick. Others are remaining same. मैं लिख रहा हूँ. If I am a feminine, मैं लिख रही हूँ. What the next one is? पढ़. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. मैं दे रहा हूँ. I am giving. दे रही हूँ. मैं चल रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. That's all. You understand? So we have made 10 sentences here. In the same sentence, if you add one object before that. For example, if I say मैं मदुरै से आ रहा हूँ. मैं हिंदी पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं चेन्नई जा रहा हूँ. मैं सिनेमा देख रहा हूँ. मैं रुपये दे रहा हूँ. मैं पैदल चल रहा हूँ. मैं इडली खा रहा हूँ. मैं दूध पी रही हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोल रही हूँ. So, if you without adding the object, 10 sentence. If you add the object, 10 sentence. So 20 sentence. If you are making it in a masculine form, 20 sentence. If you are making it in a feminine form, 20 sentence. Totally, you can make so many sentences using this. I hope you understand from this video. If you have any doubt, kindly ask in the comment section. And in the WhatsApp group link is there in the description. Kindly follow, click, join. My children's channel Pasamalargal is there waiting for your visit. Kindly visit, encourage the siblings, younger ones channel and subscribe. Share with your friends. Namaste. Dhanyavad.